to sit and talk. It's a lazy day today. I wanted to sit right there, but she's already there. So I'm going further. Janet Jones, where are you? Are you still in Jamaica? I just want to sit somewhere. Princess, good morning. I've been lazy. I've been here lazy, not coming live. I've been so lazy. I have to get back the winter. The summer make me lazy. So hot. Terrible hot. How are you, princess? How are you doing? I say I want to sit in the sun somewhere and just chat yeah, because it's too hot. See, I'm in sleeveless. See, it's not winter. It's summer. You're fabulous. Wow. Wow. I want to be fabulous too. That's so nice to be fabulous. Eh? So nice to be fabulous. Oh, I can't go down on the bench here, go sit. It's so nice to be fabulous. I did just want to sit down there, but one lady there. I don't want to make up no nice her head. Maybe talk two things. But I just really want to sit down and have a conversation today. Yes. So guys, what's up? What's going on? I go there and I go right there. It's not the same bench. It's a total different bench. So I'm going right there. I'm going to stay far from the desk because I can't bother with the walking today. Jesus, the bird, them having a field day. They're messing up the chairs and everything that you must sit on. Jeez. The birds, them having a field day, you know? Yeah. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. So I'm sitting. It's so nice, guys. How are you all doing? What's been going on in your all life? Away from the meet and greet coming up, Father's Day coming up. What else coming up? It's already hurricane season for those who live in that part of the land. Even though if you don't live there, you feel some of it, some effect from it, meaning you might have rain. Yeah, there might be rain in your area. Yeah. How are you all doing? Other than those three notice events coming up or happening. It's been a while. Princess, you stopped doing exercise. I'm not seeing any exercise videos. What's going on? You get lazy too, like myself? And Princess, you get lazy? Princess get lazy, you know. Do not exercise video. Used to get those nice exercise videos. Oh yes. Slow down, but still doing it. Awesome. So awesome. Yeah, my walking is exercise. Yesterday I walked twice. I did a half walk. I didn't want to come on live. I started it and then I bought an Hula hoop. What you do with it? You, you do hula hoop instead of running and jumping exercise? Hmm? That sounds like fun. Hula hoop exercise. You know, inside the building so cold. Out here so warm. Hmm. You're doing hula hoop exercise. It's a new age style hoop from Amazon. Really? What it stay like? Describe it. It's a new age style hoop from Amazon. Hula hoop. Eh? So me can jump it with it too. It's for the age. It's for age people. I can use it too. Mm. It's so like me a ear train. I so like me a ear train. It has notches that you remove as you slim down. What? Say what? Say what? So you have you removed any from yours in the bathroom peeping for? I'm telling you, so nice. Look what my car's Jackie for do. A peep. So nice. Welcome in, Jackie. Good to have you. Hi, Shireen. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Nice to have you. It has every ball that moves around you, and you have to keep it going. I removed two notches already. Wow. Awesome. That's awesome. You're going with yourself, princess. You're going on with yourself. That's awesome. And if me can do that. And if me committed to and can do that. Guys, me not commit myself to anything when I can't manage like that. I'll say I'll do my walking, but I don't commit myself to say I'm gonna lose 10 pounds in 2 days. No, I don't. Me nah pressure myself, I just walk, get fit, walk, slim down when it's appropriate. Yeah, well, I can train I come. Me they run go down like a show, I know some ear training. Me hear the track. Yeah, I can't stay on live anymore. I got to be careful now. It's not my lunch time as yet. Lunch. Oh, really? Oh, me either. Me just, you might see me log on to one live, but it's just there. I might read one and two comment, but it's just there. I can't be during the work week. I can't be there. Oh, so much people on here and then now like up the live. Are you back? From where? Where did go again, Jackie? Jersey? Remember they tell me the Jersey? Or one evening, something, a couple hours, something. Go look for my daughter. I ain't going nowhere. She just came for a short while, did an exam and went back home. Yeah, we'll go look for her. She could. And just a couple hours and come back home. Just a quick little run. No, I'm not Jamaica. She was in Jersey doing exam. And I was asking where, I was trying to find out where in Merrick, something, something, Chef Luton restaurant there. But at time wouldn't allow us to do anything else. It was just a quick pop in and pop out. Maybe next time. Jersey is not very far from us. Jersey is so nice. Auntie meet and greet. Me no buy no ticket yet, you know. And if me I go, me can't buy one ticket. Me have to buy two tickets. I me no buy no ticket yet. I want to. If it's still open by the time I'm ready to get the tickets. Not really. When the place so far, me not really far from me. Me not really buy in advance like that. It's spur of the moment. Me just buy it and then me just move. I would love to do. And what if she don't come live? We're gonna miss out. But it's already full. I'm sure Auntie will come back one next time in New York with one different event. And then everybody I talk about, some people I talk about Buju concert. Me shocked when I see that. So let's see. But I would love to go. I'm gonna really have time off, so it's when it's a Saturday. I'm gonna have leave on them something there. So I go. Maybe I go on 2 day. Chris, Christine come on the live. she had to send me a message. I go on 2 day for, rest up my body. I go sell off. I don't know, say if it not sell off by the time I'm ready, sure. But for now I don't have a ticket. Mm-hmm. I never know that it would be so quickly because I really was planning on going, but when the date announced, I said, oh my God, it's so quick. I have other stuff. All right, Jackie, later. Take care. Glad to have you on here. Please tell them, yeah, because them just here and not doing anything. Just watching and listening to all the good things we're talking about. When she announced the date, I was saying, oh my God, it's too close to all all the stuff that I have. And then, what's your name again? Jamrock having something I wanted to go to also, and that's shortly after August. Everything just clashing up, and it's not near me. None of them events, they're not near me. It's like maybe 2 hours, 3 hours driving or whatever, or more by train to get to them event there. So, yeah. But if it's still open when me catch a fever, more when me catch a fever down in at the end of June, if it's still open, yes, I go get my ticket them and come and go. I know Jackie said she not going because she had something else. Who else going on here? Shereen in Jamaica. No, Shereen not go come. Princess is going. They might drive over with bus from Canada. But I gotta be a piece of driving still. Um, mm-hmm. We did have a group of us from over here, we just say motivate more and come together more and say, yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. We have to go. Mm-hmm. But yeah, can't wait for Aunt to touch down And to touch down, enough more meet and greet I go plan. Enough more things I go happen and enough more going out I go on. So me na thing there. Enough things have to go on. And you know, so she have to go different places, go have different meet and greet. Because, that event now go can't, well, people who are going to want to go last minute, the event I got full. Because them say them have a limited amount of tickets. And so much of us want to go. So many of the plankers want to go. Guys, like up the live now. Oh, what time is it now? Jesus, that's soon time for me going. I'm in a still on likes. Jeez, it's so hot. I wonder if my phone had overheat. Oh, I know why I never come yesterday too. I never have enough charge. If me they come yesterday, my phone would have dead. Anyhow, me they come live. But yes, guys, like up the live, like, share, subscribe, and comment. I don't even say anything for Shona today. Come in and walk, I just sit down. So my face so now I feel look on today. To see if I see anything I wrong. But hold on. Phone feel like it too hot. I'm come out there soon. I see if I can soon better. For a couple minutes. Phone overeating all the sun. Ooh. Guys, I wanna call them something there, cause them all over, them like them white something. Yeah. You know, it's not rose and no flowers that in the grass. Them white, but I not see them I show white on the phone. What you call them? Then they on the grass them. And then I come back and watch it live. And I tell me I wanna call them. It's some little white, see it? And like white something there. Like it blooming in the grass. But it look like it's a bush, but it bloom white. And it make the grass pretty still, See it? Beautiful. So I gotta go. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh, I gotta go. I've been sitting in the sun all 20 minutes. So that tree did bloom nice, I'm gonna make it die down. I wanna not get for seed. Let's encourage someone today. Maybe feeling down and out. Let's encourage somebody. So that's, I'm sure now. It bloom, all it open up and I get for seed when it did a flourish. Sure, when it did nice. I take picture. Oh, I'm not put up no picture there yet. Yeah. It is nice and bright now. The bloom falling off and not staying. So guys, take care of your old self. Be blessed. Remember to share love wherever you go. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are planning on going to the meet and greet, I might see you all. Okay. I would love to see all my friends them were on FB. Jesus. What a reunion. That would be great. If I come and I say, all of my friend Jackie, you know, Shereen there at Jamaica, can't wait. And then we do a meet and greet, meet up at Jamaica. You have Jackie, you have Princess, you have, who again? Latoya, um, Stacy, Determined, Carmelita, who again? I not talk about my Jamaicans, you know, because I know some of them not going to come. Auntie meet and greet. Auntie. Woo. Wow. My dream some I meet auntie, you know. Dream some I meet her already. Mm-hmm. And look how many days Jamaica could have go meet her. I mean I go. Mm-hmm. Just couple minutes from her where she live. We used to live. I mean I go meet her. And look at it now. But time is the master. Time is everything. Sometimes that's how it is supposed to go. Yeah. So, and we know we're going to have a good time, laughing, chatting, reminiscing on some of the lives that we come on with her, reminiscing on a whole lot of stuff. So, take care, everybody, until I see you some other time and some other live. Bye. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday to the June people. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you are in any way sad, my hugs, a lot of hugs to you. And may God see you through all the situations. Okay? Thank you so much for coming on. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting on all my videos. I appreciate your time and efforts. Okay? Thank you so much. See you later on the other side. Bye.